Pros and cons of engineered wood flooring. Dear friends, engineered wood flooring offers the look of real wood at a more affordable price than solid wood. The floor features a thin layer of hardwood bonded over a high-quality plywood substrate. It's as durable as solid hardwood flooring and can last as long with proper care. Engineered wood flooring is a good choice for DIYers to install, which will save you money on installation costs. The average cost for installed engineered wood flooring is $4 to $9 per square foot. Pros of engineered wood flooring. DIY friendly. Has real hardwood top layer. Greater resistance to moisture and water than real wood. Less likely to warp. Multiple installation methods. Cons of engineered wood flooring. Can't be refinished more than once. Not fade resistant. Wide variation in quality. Can sound hollow underfoot. Emits VOCs, volatile organic compounds, if not used good quality of engineered wood. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.